Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to import Photon Quantum into Unity and run the Asteroid sample game, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be running a multiplayer game using Photon Quantum, testing it with 2 players, one from the Unity editor and one from a built PC application. First, head over to the Photon Engine website. Log into your Photon account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Click on SDK tab, then select Quantum. Download the Photon Quantum SDK that matches your Unity version. Once the download is complete, keep the package ready, we'll import it into Unity next. Now open Unity Hub and create a new 3D project. Once the project loads, go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. Select the Photon Quantum SDK package you just downloaded. Make sure everything is selected, then click Import. Unity will take a moment to compile the scripts. After the import is finished, Photon Quantum will guide you through its installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This includes setting up your Photon app ID. Now go back to Photon Engine website, click on the dashboard. Create a new app. Select SDK version, in my case I'm using Quantum 3. Type application name, and create. You should now see your Quantum app information. Go click on Manage button. Copy the app ID at the top. Now go back to Quantum install instructions, and click to install following steps. For step 3, paste your app ID you've just copied. Finally, install step 4. It will install the sample application to Unity. If Text Mesh Pro importer display, just click on Import button. The Quantum Asteroids sample scene should now open. You can see Quantum Gizmo settings on the right side. With the asteroid scene open, simply click the play button in the Unity editor. You should now see the Asteroids game running with Photon Quantum's deterministic multiplayer logic. Before test the game, let's find the location of the sample scene. It should be located in the Assets, Photon, Quantum menu. Now let's test the gameplay. Click on Quick Play, and wait for server hosting the game. Nice, we're controlling spaceship, and use space for shooting asteroids. Let's try to change player name. Play alone is so boring, so I will build a dedicated app on my PC to simulate another player. Go to File, Build Profile. Select Window, Mac or Linux Standalone, and click Build and Run. Choose a folder, and wait for Unity to generate the executable. Once finished, the standalone app should now automatically open. You can quick play. And rename. And create party, so other player can join. Now copy the game session from Top Gear. Then run one instance of the game from the Unity editor. Rename it to some new name. Click on Party menu and join the game. And now you can see both players playing on same level. You can fight each other as well. Let's bring two clients side by side so we can compare the multiplayer function. And that's it. You've successfully imported Photon Quantum, launched the asteroid sample, and tested multiplayer with two players. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.